Little Ginny. There she is. They're all braving the rain today to come and get something to eat because it's still very cold. Trying to stay in a bit of shade so she doesn't get wet. It's wet, isn't it, Ginty? Oh, Ginny. We're on Ginny now. She's sitting under there, Lady of Leisure, and I'm getting soaked watching her. I didn't put my umbrella up so I didn't scare them. But I think I'm going to leave her to it. She's got food there, but the rain's coming down quite heavy now. I'm going to leave that little one to it. She must be getting wet there. See you later, Ginny.